Aku mau pergi ke Pasar Minggu, and I'm going with my suami. And my sister-in-law. She also works there, so I'm gonna be showing you guys her selling her crochet. Ayo, ayo, and maybe we can buy some bili makanan. So we decided to walk instead of riding the moped.
Just go in there.
It's healthier too. Bro, why they got big speakers? Is that how they make the hello?
No, they use the top speaker, but maybe that's just for Quran recitation.
Have you seen sunny in Indonesia?
Cerah. Cerah. Yeah.
Cerah?
Yeah.
Panas? I don't know. Hot. It's hot today.
Oh yeah, panas.
Look at this. Are these doves, right? Doves or pigeon? Doves. Nice. What? What the fuck? What? That thing just giggled at me. What the heck? Guys, so I was just walking by this like really cool temple looking restaurant. Look at this. They got like weird statues over there. Look at that. It looks so creepy. And then there's like some kind of elephant statue. Oh. And then the one I find really interesting is like the water fountain. There's like a carved, look at that. A carved, what is it? Like some kind of,
I think that's one of the sign of their god.
that's so cool. And they have like a cool traditional Hindu type of restaurant. Is it a restaurant or a cafe? I don't know.
Traditional cafe.
Yeah. And if you guys look over there, yeah. And if you guys look over there, there's also like a statue. What is it?
That's the statue of a Candace that they put in there. Basically, that's the queen of the kingdom of Singasari back then.
And I want to show you guys a statue over there too. And this is in Malang. It's a tourist spot. Look at this. There's like a statue. Someone's sitting over there. You see that? So what is that about?
People say that it's kind of like the gate when you enter the kingdom back then. It's like the gate to the kingdom. It's like the road, and then there's like that's like kind of like the what you call that, the decoration for the gates.
Oh.
And then you go in there, and then the kingdom is like over there. That's what people say. Like I don't really know the history because like I'm not really a historical person, but yeah. From the kingdom.
Worshipped this before or what?
That one's like the bell, like the in Borobudur kind of. I think so. I don't know. Might be wrong.
Their heads are cut off. You
Yeah.
see?
It's not cut off. It is cut off.
It's on purpose because it's somewhat like
The
this.
Dutch stole it.
Show the temple. Wait, show me. Very cool. Very pretty.
Jadi ini patung Candace. Kayaknya tiruannya ini tapi. Oh ya. This is the family tree basically of the kingdom.
Very cool, very cool. So we are finally here at the Minggu Pasar. Pasar Minggu. We're finally here at Pasar Minggu. And wow, it is hot. But we're going to be seeing if we'll find anything interesting. I already have some things in mind, but let's see. Ayo, Billy, Billy, let's go, let's go. So over here, what do they have over here? Look at that. Pots. These literally look like Russian pots. The one with flowers reminds me of a Russian pot. Oh, this is her stall right here. Look, show her stall. Where is she?
Probably going to budget over there.
Let's go. Pretty clothes. What do you want?
Let's look around.
We're just gonna look around. They even sell boba over here. So they even sell kebabs actually over here. And there's a lot of people, so it's like I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is popular, like the Sunday market. People come here during the Sunday, buy some food, our clothes. I don't know. I haven't really seen anything that interests me. Sushi, hijabs. Taman, let's try out this waffle. The Royale Croffle. Oh, it's like a croissant. Satu. Let's get tiramisu. I'm gonna try tiramisu. Let's see Indonesian tiramisu. If it's the same like in America. So, oh, he sells bento boxes. Oh, some oil. Oh, so it's supposed to look like this, huh? This little one. How much is it? Berapa?
Satu porsi setiga 20.000.
Ah, okay. Guys, yesterday I learned how to say Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in Indonesian. I bought a book, so I'm learning. Inshallah, I'll learn quicker. So they just cooked the waffle, and now she's gonna be spreading the sauce over it. Okay, now she's spreading. Oh, it's inside. I thought it was outside. Yeah, this looks good already. Tiramisu. And people actually live back here. And this is just like at someone's like neighborhood. We put all these like stores over here. So now we're getting our change. And at the end of the video, guys, I'm gonna say how much I spent. And you guys will be shocked, especially the Americans. Terima kasih. So yeah, let's see. What else can we get? Ice cream? Yeah. Or should I get this one? Which one?
It's gonna melt so quick.
Oh yeah.
Probably, because it's too hot.
No, I get mini.
Sing mini. What is it?
So I'm gonna get vanilla chocolate chip. I'm gonna get that. Actually no. I'll get strawberry. And it's only 5 5,000. Let me try it out.
What flavor?
Strawberry. Oh, with the 3 different flavors. Is this like an Indonesian freezer? Indonesian freezer.
Something that you carry around.
I was thinking about getting the waffle cone, but then I was like, nah, it's gonna be melting. It's so hot out here, so. Makasih. Okay, okay, let's try it out. You first, you first. Wait. My Swami tries it first. Good? Enough? Okay, I'm gonna cut the video. I need to eat this ice cream before it melts. I'm gonna be trying the waffles. How much was this? 20,000. So that's like a dollar something?
$30.
$1.30 for these three. So which one's mine though? Or are they all the same?
It's the same thing.
Okay, they're all the same. We're gonna be trying it out. It's pretty though. How much is for one? 6K?
That's 6.5.
Yeah, so. Okay, not gonna lie, it's actually so good. This is bussin', 10 out of 10. Yeah. Apa ini?
Yummy.
What's the white one?
That's made of rice, basically. Rice and pinto.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Should I buy it?
Oh yeah, that's it.
It's so good. Oh my god.
The yellow one is better though.
This one's not good.
I like the yellow one.
This is the pickle juice? Okay, let's try pickle juice. How do I say sir? Fuck? 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 Billy? Oh,
5,000.
he wants us to just go to him and pay. Just ask him. Wait, is there a way I could wash my hands?
Maybe later over there.
Oh, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. Okay, let's try this later. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands because, bro, there's sugar, gula, all over me. Melted gula. And this is at a masala, random masala. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be minuman. No, I'm gonna be, how do you say I'm gonna? Ako mau minum pickle juice. Yeah. Okay, let's try it out. Let's try it out now. Bismillah. What the heck? It does taste like pickle juice. But this is like really healthy for you, right?
Yeah, it's made of turmeric.
It's made out of turmeric and
Tamarind.
tamarind. No, I can definitely taste that. It's so strong. And I think it's like antibiotic. Yeah. I'm gonna rate this like I guess it's just like a medicine drink, so I'm gonna rate this like a 5, 4.
It's too low. It's supposed to be like 7 or 8.
But it's like pickly though. Yeah, I think it's just like for health. If it's for health, then a 10. But like taste wise, meh. Yeah. So my Swami is gonna be getting siomai. Siomai. Wow. I tried this before. It's so good. I tried the one with the sausage and mayo inside of it. Wow, they're almost sold out. Ayam Balinese. Okay. Are those potatoes?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Sauce. Ooh, let me try that out. Siomai. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Siomai!
This is mine.
No, it's for me too. Aku mau kebab. Give me some money. Okay, where's 10K? There we go. 10K. Thank you. Makasih, Pak. Kebab. Bab satu. No. Tidak. No spicy. So now she's making mine. And then she's gonna be grilling it after. Kebab. Okay, she's almost sudah. She's gonna be putting in that thing. Ooh, can't wait. 10K, 10K. Makasih. Yeah. Okay, so I know that you like pull this lever thing and then it comes out. How does that even work? Bismillah. Wait. I need the middle. Ten out of 10. Enak. So overall we spent 35 and that's only like $1.30 for all of that stuff. It was only $1.30, guys. Alhamdulillah.